What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are working on a Corvette C6. I'm wrapping this Corvette in gloss black by 3M 2080, and if you were to ask me why did you go with 3M 2080 and not Avery Dennison or Tech Wrap or any other brand, you may see this hood right now really dirty and you may be thinking, what have you done to the vinyl? What have you decided to do? What is that over there? Like, you have completely messed up the vinyl. Well, no, I have not. This is where I want to explain why I went with 3M 2080, and watch this. Watch the magic happen. If you know, you know what's gonna happen right now. So I'm peeling this off right now. And just like that. Looks really nice. Just how it's supposed to be. Now this is a Targa top. Let's move on to the roof. Look at this. Look at this. I just peeled this back. All the soap marks, all those marks, all the scratches with the squeegee and everything, it's gone. It's gone. Look at this. Easy. Easy, breezy. This is why I love 3M 2080 gloss black. Whenever I'm doing a roof wrap or wrapping side mirrors or even the whole car, this is why I go with 3M 2080 gloss black. Alright, just got the rear bumper almost finished. There's one thing that I have not done yet. You guys see this right here, right? You may know what this is. This is called knifeless tape. If you're asking me what am I doing, well, I'm using these body lines to my own advantage. Why am I doing that? Because I've learned this mistake from wrapping the Corvette C5, the last edition Corvette. This is the Corvette C6, and they both got this weird bumper where it's flat and then it folds in. You could get away with one piece in this, but you know, you gotta have a lot of stretch to get away with it. And that's the one thing I do not want to do, because that is the one thing that minimizes the longevity of any wrap. The more stretch you do, the less longevity you get. Don't think that you're gonna go with 3M 2080, which is cast, which does actually take up more abuse than calendar films, and then stretch the hell out of it and still get the 5 years outdoor lifespan. You're not gonna get that. And so here you guys go. Looks so good. The Corvette logo, everything's looking proper. All that is looking good. You don't see a line. I really don't know where it's at. I really don't know where it's at. So this is how it's done. This is the proper way, really. If you're doing this, kudos to you, because you're really reducing a headache in the future. You do not want the customer to come back and then have you redo the whole rear bumper. Follow this method. It's gonna save you a lot of headache. And so this is how I did this part, and here is this part right here, which I also did a two-piece because it is really awkward to get in there. So everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. The lights are, everything's there, like really got it looking like paint. Now we're gonna put all the stuff back, get the rear end all assembled, and then move on to the front end and get her finished. All right, got the spoiler all finished. Literally looks so good, so good. It was carbon fiber, but you know, some people like carbon, some people like it to be the same color. In this case, it is the same color, and it's fully finished. I'm gonna heat up the adhesives, the double-sided sticky tape, and slap it on, and then do a 360 walk around. And just like that, it is finished. It's gonna be picked up today. 3 days it took me to wrap it. That is with removing parts and making it look proper. I had a two-piece that bottom section because it is really deep. Let me show you guys. And I do not want to stretch. Remember, I told you guys, the more you stretch, the less longevity you're gonna get out of the vinyl wrap. And so in this case, I two-pieced it right here, and then took the actual roll and just blended it in. So now it's looking proper, and it's gonna last a long time. Now to go around the car, the things I did really. The side mirror, crazy hard. I did one piece, and then on the bottom piece is a second piece, and then just like made sure everything was going in here, because this car is red, and when you're wrapping a car that is red and gloss black or any dark color, it tends to show the original color. So you really gotta know what you're doing. You really gotta tuck in things and take off grommets and whatnot. And yeah, no, we did a good job on this car. Now to get up close and personal, you guys can see right here, everything's looking nice. When in there, the grommet has been removed. When in there, everything's looking proper. It's really difficult to wrap a car that is red and gloss black. There might be some red showing underneath here, but that's good though that this thing on the C6 Corvette comes off. So I was able to get in there really nicely deep, but still the color may show. You're probably gonna have to paint that part. And so there goes the Corvette C6 fully wrapped. The duckbill part was also wrapped, and then I put it on. There you guys have it. So the owner is on his way. We'll do a reaction video. He's really excited. Can't wait to see that. There she is. Let me turn the light on. Take a look.
Damn, this shit is clean.
Yes, sir. It's hard to maintain. That's the one thing you guys got to know about gloss black. It is really hard to maintain.
Damn, I get double shit with that.
See what I'm saying? You got to see it in person.
See, now I fuck with the chrome headlights.
There you go. Everything's complete. Looking sick. Damn. There you guys have it. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.